It's a lot, yeah.
Where are you going? Montreal. Let's go.
How do you spend your long weekends?
Shoot / sightseeing and take a little nap and then go out again.
How long is the trip from London to Montreal? It's a long-ass drive. 9 hours, including traffic, going through Toronto, 2 stops for food. We cross the border to Quebec and the highway ends. Small town stoplights and roads. We finally get another highway and make our way to Montreal. Hey guys, just checked out the Airbnb. Small change of plans. Walked in and there was shoes and toothbrushes and stuff everywhere. Checked upstairs and there's a family asleep. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. So I'm thinking we're getting the first class car seat sleep tonight. Before rocking this day, let's get some coffee. Bonjour. We got some pictures here in Old Port. We're gonna head back to our Airbnb and get some sleep. Nine o'clock, pouring rain. It's our first night though. Let's party.
There's bars here. That much, dude.
Kevin, where are we now?
Old Town.
Should be around here.
On our way to bar number 1.
Alright, guys, this is Danny, everybody.
Thank you.
Danny. Hey, it's yours, it's yours, you have to do it. Yeah!
Like a boss, bro.
We're in Montreal. We're gonna go to Philomel Bar. Kevin, he's here, my companion, my TikToker, famous, 2 million followers. Second bar, second stop. We'll see you there. Follow us on Instagram. Okay, let's go.
It's day 2. We're on our way to Piknic Festival. great dinner. Sad to say, this is our last night. Let's do one last stop to Mount Royal, and then we're off. What a trip. A little tired, a little worse for wear, but well worth it. Montreal, thank you for hosting our friends. Our first trip together. Some of us just met for the very first time, but now we'll have memories for a lifetime.